The Velcro brand LogiStrap offers a revolutionary new way to secure goods in a warehouse environment. The LogiStrap eliminates the need to rewrap any palletized item once it's been received in your warehouse. Save time, save money, and save the planet with this simple yet effective solution. You can start using Velcro brand LogiStraps from the moment your goods are received. After conducting your initial inspection, simply rewrap the goods with LogiStraps to safely transport the pallet to your staging area. Awkward or unstable items can be provided with extra stability through the use of just one LogiStrap. Once in the staging area, the goods can be quickly and easily reallocated or otherwise prepared for redistribution or internal storage. As you can see in this side-by-side demonstration, LogiStraps secure a load significantly faster than a conventional handheld shrink wrapper. Secure unstable or awkward items using multiple straps. It's neater and safer. A must for health and safety when moving such items. Once strapped with corners, goods are stored securely at height in the warehouse. This is where the real benefits of Velcro brand LogiStraps start to shine through. Unlike shrink-wrapped goods, items on pallets can be identified from a distance because there's no shrink wrap blocking the view. A single item can easily be picked by an elevated or ground level staff member. Simply loosen the LogiStrap, remove the item, secure the strap, and go. Comparing this to a conventional shrink wrap process, it takes a fraction of the time. Compared to metal or plastic bonded straps or shrink wrap, LogiStrap saves literally tons of plastic wrap over the course of a busy year. Plastic wrap that stays out of our landfill. The Velcro brand LogiStrap is a clever application of a time-tested technology. Let the Velcro brand work for you in your business.